Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of those pesky spam messages flooding your website forms? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to implement Google reCAPTCHA Vive 2 and V3 in your JupyterX WordPress theme so we can keep those bots out for good. And if you're new here, JupyterX is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor, no Elementor Pro needed. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off by heading over to the reCAPTCHA admin console. This is where we'll register our site. Alright, let's get started by clicking the Get Started button, which will take us to the registration page. Now, let's give our reCAPTCHA a label. This is where you choose your reCAPTCHA type. Score-based V3 checks visitors in the background and gives a score without showing a challenge. Challenge V2 shows a test like I'm not a robot or image puzzles to verify the user. I'll choose V3. Next, let's click Add a Domain to specify our website's domain. Now, let's type in our domain. This step tells reCAPTCHA where it's authorized to operate. Alright, let's finish our reCAPTCHA setup by clicking the Submit button. Okay, keep your site key and secret key saved somewhere safe. We'll need them soon. Now, let's jump to the WordPress admin of our website. Hovering over Elementor, Settings, and click on the JupyterX tab right here. And paste our site key and secret keys right here in the reCAPTCHA V3 section. Time to click the Save Changes button to make sure all our settings are locked in. Okay, let's jump to our website tab. And as the last step, add the reCAPTCHA functionality in our contact form in Elementor. In the JupyterX form widget, simply add a new item to your form and select reCAPTCHA V3 as the type. And with that, let's click to publish the changes we've made to the website. Fingers crossed, it all works perfectly. Alright, the website is officially updated with our new reCAPTCHA settings. Now you should have far fewer spam submissions coming through. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. You now know how to integrate Google reCAPTCHA into your JupyterX theme to protect your forms from spam. No more unwanted messages. Yay! If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more JupyterX tips and tricks. See you in the next one!